Yes, today's tutorial is going to be on the spider web granny square.
Hi, this is Katie and welcome to the Nodding Perch, where I like to talk and share all things crochet. So you ready? Let's go.
Okay, so we're going to get started by doing a magic ring. If you do not know how to do magic ring or prefer not to do a magic ring, that's okay. I think instead I'd probably just do a chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain, because you do want a little space in the middle for that spider web. Okay, so once I got my ring, I did a chain 1 so I can set it. And now I'm going to work 12 single crochets into this ring. Got 1 and 2, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to do 10 more into the ring and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so here is my 12th single crochet into the ring, and I'm going to pull that tail just to tighten it up. There we go. All right, so for the next round, we are going to do what I did in my previous tutorial where we did the compound starting double crochet. Don't worry, it's also known as, some have mentioned, the stacking double crochet stitch. So we're just going to do this so we don't have to have the ugly sight of a chain 2. So we do this by slip stitching into the first single crochet, chain 1. All right, now we're going to do a single crochet back into that same stitch. Okay. And now we're going to do a single crochet on top of this. And we're going to do that by doing a single crochet into that left loop of the first single crochet. So I'm going to insert my hook into that left loop from that stitch and do my next single crochet. Now we have 2 single crochets on top of each other, which equals the same height as a double crochet. All right, now chain 1, and we're going to do a double crochet into the next stitch. Just like that. Chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch, and we're going to do this all the way around. Chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch. All right, so I'm going to finish all the way around here. So I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, so here is my last single crochet. I'll do my last double crochet of this round and chain 1. Don't forget, this is the slip stitch from the beginning of the round. You do not crochet into that, so don't mistake that for a stitch. All right, so round 3, we're going to slip stitch into the top of the stacking double crochet that we did. And we're going to do another stacking double crochet. Chain 1, single crochet into that same stitch, single crochet into the left loop of that stitch. There you go. Okay, so this round is going to be very similar to the last round. We are going to do a double crochet into every double crochet stitch, but instead of chaining 1 in between, we're going to chain 2. So chain 2, and then double crochet, not into the chain, but into the double crochet of the previous row. Like that. Chain 2, then double crochet into the next double crochet. And we're going to continue this all the way around. Okay, I'm at my last double crochet. Chain 2, And then we're going to slip stitch into the top of that stacking stitch, just like we did before. And we're going to do another stacking double crochet, chain 1, single crochet into that same stitch, and then single crochet into that left loop of the stitch. And we're going to repeat what we just did in the last round, except for instead of chain 2, we are going to do a chain 4 because we want the gaps to start getting a little bit bigger, like a natural spider web. So the first round, the second round, we did the chain 1 in between. The third round, we did chain 2 in between. And now this fourth round, we're going to do chain 4 in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet into the double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet into the double crochet from the previous round. Sorry if I'm saying round and row interchangeably. Sorry about that. But you understand what I'm getting at, right? 4. Okay, I'm going to continue this all the way around, and I will see you at the end. Okay, so here's my last chain 4. Let's go ahead and slip stitch into the top of the stacking stitch. Okay, so the next part is we are going to convert this circle into a square. So this is the last part where we're going to be working on our border. And let's go ahead and start with our stacking stitch again. Chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into that left loop, all right, and now we're going to go back into the same stitch and do a double crochet. We're going to chain 3 and do 2 more double crochets back into the same stitch. It's 1 and 2. So this is going to be our first corner. All right, now we're going to work into the chain space right here. And we're going to do that by 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet onto that chain space. Since we are working in a circle, our stitches have to start getting shorter because you see the circle is curving up. All right, now we're going to cross the top of that circle into this chain space. We'll do 3 single crochet. We'll do 3 single crochets into that chain space. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to start working down the circle. So in the next chain space, do 1 single crochet, followed by half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into that chain space. Okay, so it'd be like that. Now we're going to work into this double crochet right here, and we're going to work another corner. So we do that with 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more double crochets back into that space. Okay, So this is one side so far. And this is what we're going to do all the way around. So all your corners will be on a double crochet with the two double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. And in between the corners, you're going to do 1 double, 1 half, 1 single, 3 singles, 1 single, 1 half, 1 double. And then on that double right there, you're going to do your next corner. So you're going to do that 1, 2, 3 more times. Okay, this is the 4th edge here. I did my 3 single crochets, and then this is the last chain space. Do 1 single crochet, your half, double, and then your double. And then we're just going to slip stitch into your stacking stitch and fasten off. Let's see, I like to do that. Then I bring it around and back in. There we go. And with these spider webs, I do suggest blocking them if you're able to. You just need some pins, towel, and a spray bottle. Just put it where you want it, like that. Spray it, hold it overnight and dry, and it'll be really nice for you. And that's how you do the spider web Halloween granny square. And I will see you on my next tutorial.